Maryland isn't known for its similarity to the Italian countryside, but amidst 10 acres near the southern edge of the state, an imposing palazzo commands a hilltop view, creating a highly convincing version of Tuscany on the Potomac River. It is ancient, with towers, turrets, campanile, and a cascade of red pan-tiled outbuildings added sporadically in the traditional manner of generational continuity, from what looks like the 17th century on. Except it was built just 17 years ago. In fact, scratch that 400-year-old origin story. Not old enough. In a hidden corner of the garden, you'll find what appear to be the ruins of an Etruscan temple, i.e. from around 5 BCE. The more you wander around these sculpted grounds, lined with soaring Italianate cypresses, the more utterly extraordinary this property becomes. High artisan craftsmanship is evident around every corner. Reclaimed terracotta, cobblestones, massive masonry, and those ubiquitous patterned red rooftops, every element speaks of a different age and time. There are 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and many spaces designed for relaxation and reflection. Turkish baths, indoor pool, 2-story library, a sunroom called the Temple. There's even a balconied upper loggia that could hold half the Roman Senate. The kitchen looks like the resident Nona just stepped out to the bread oven, though the actual cooking appliances would please any professional chef. The calm collocation of natural stone and muted plaster walls leads along colonnades and through arches into a variety of airy living spaces. Venetian stencils and wrought iron balustrades, cabinetry carved from antique timber, faded and buffed, are found behind hand-worked solid wood doors hung heavy with ornate ironmongery. The property is the largest in Montgomery County. In all, the interiors extend practically to civic proportions, covering 27,000 square feet across the property's multiple buildings. Over the years, some 23,000 people have visited, attended fundraisers, orchestral concerts, art exhibitions, and dance performances. This Italian-inspired home on the Potomac is now on the market for $11 million.